Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations, hairstyles, options, and ideas that you can rock this season. So if you've been dreaming of a new hairstyle, this channel is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a major makeover. Looks like the stylist is going to be doing a bob haircut for this one. Absolutely gorgeous bob style. This one features longer hair in the front and shorter hair in the back. And then we move on to the styling of this Dixie haircuts. So if you guys aren't familiar with the Dixie style, it was very popular in the 90s and it has managed to make a major comeback. Here is one of the ways that you can style this hot growing trend. So she's using her flat iron to create some curls throughout. And then she sets the look with some spray and it gives it that tousled effect. Beautiful hair accessory, pearled on the side, beautiful. And then next up we do see another major hair transformation. So she's going to be doing a big chop with this one. So she cuts the look even further. And decides to shave it all off. Wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous. Working the bald shaven look. And then we have this really cute pixie with bangs. Love how this looks paired with the red lip, gorgeous. And this one does feature a design going there in the back as well. And then we see an exaggerated pixie. So she is rocking the asymmetrical pixie style. This one almost looks like an undercut. It is extremely exaggerated, longer on one side, short on the other. And this is the perfect hairstyle for her square jawline. I think it accents her face just beautifully. And then we see a long to short transformation. So I would say her hair is probably about tailbone length. And this stylist is known for doing some amazing short hair transformations. He's truly talented. Looks like she decided to get a mid-length lob haircut or mid-length bob. Beautiful. Nice fresh way to shake up some boring strands. And then we have another haircut transformation. So it looks like she decided to get a mid-length cut as well. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.